In this video, I'm going to give you 4 important pimple hacks, following which you can guarantee that your skin will be pimple-free and at the same time you have a gorgeous skin to flaunt. What is a pimple? It's an inflamed, infected oil gland which has a lot of oil inside because there's hormonal stimulation, probably you're not keeping the face clean and there's a lot of hygiene issues on the skin. You cannot help it. They're already there. How do you really manage them? First, do not touch the pimple or the acne, how much ever tempting they may be, and that's because the cyst, which is actually full of oil, you may just tend to bring them in a wrong manner. You may tend to squeeze them in a wrong manner in order to suppress it or remove the contents of it, but it may break and followed by a scarring or a pigmentation, which actually takes 2 months to heal. Second is maintain a very effective skincare routine. Now, that is the basis of the hygiene of the skin, the health of the skin, and that's why cleansing cleanly 2 times in a day to remove all your oil, makeup and your sunscreen, dust is a must, followed by a moisturizer. How much ever you may feel that the moisturizer makes it more oily or maybe looking more greasy, you should use the right moisturizer, not making the face look oily. So moisturization is a must. Third is never avoid the sunscreen. Sunscreen, because if you can imagine, the pimple is red and brown, and also we are using medications at night which dry the skin. So protecting the skin from the sun is extremely important, not complicating the marks and also the redness which the pimple has. That's why your sunscreen is a must. So good regular basic skincare routine is the basis of it. Now you can always opt in for spot treatments that your dermatologist is giving. Do not overdo, because they have salicylic acid, glycolic acid, retinoic acid, sometimes benzoyl peroxide, and these are actives which have to be used on that pimple per se. So do not overdo, do not overuse, use it right how much ever the doctor has recommended. You can always opt in for spot treatments, they are called as. And the fourth hack is the supportive hack. Look into gut health. If you're somebody who's indulging into a lot of junk food, oily food, aerated drinks, lot of sugars, kind of late night binging, all these lead to bad gut health, and that gets transferred into inflammation on the scalp in the form of dandruff, and you may have a flare of acne. So look into that. Once you take care of your stress, even if we are talking about teenage stress or an adult stress, stress releases hormones, triggers oiliness and acne flare. So your yoga, meditation, moving out with your friends and releasing your stress in whichever way and form which you like is a must. Sleep habits. Again, body follows a circadian rhythm and that is a must, and that is why morning and night rhythms have to be followed. Please do not be late for your sleep. Have sound and adequate sleep. That will always help your skin to be supporting the acne and the inflammation. So if you follow these key hacks for pimples, I ensure that you'll have a great skin.